working? Can you hear me? Can you see the charts? All right. So I know that no one's listening, no one's watching, but still, I want to update you because we just started the New York session. So let's go to the charts, guys. I'll update you on my trades, and I'll explain you what happened here with my. I got stopped out of the CRV trade. I'll show you what's been happening. It hasn't been a nice trading day, and I am just about to get wrecked unless this level holds here, which is not doing it right now. Yeah, and this level holds here for um, for Ave. So yeah, things are not looking too good, to be honest. Uh, what happened was that we basically have done nothing, and I was this was looking very good for an upside trade. It happened, but now the market has reversed, and now we're starting a London session. So let's clear the whole chart thing and mark the this 30-minute orb around here. So we got ourselves a new opening range high and opening range low. Right now, kind of oscillating here, but these down candles are kind of marking the a very steep downtrend that we haven't been able to break, right? Lower highs, lower lows on the short term, very short term. So unless we break this, there's very few hopes for the bulls. The bulls need to hold this like for dear life and to save my trades as well. So let me show you what we're looking at here and what happened to my trades. Okay, I think I got duped by the uh, patterns here. Yeah, I got wrecked, guys, because SPX didn't hold this. So I'll show you what happened so that we learn together for the next attempt. This pattern looked very bullish to me, so I entered in around here thinking that this might hold for the breakout. Now it faked out and then it went just straight down, and it's probably going to fill all the way here. So I got stopped out here. Now, regarding, I saw that Ave was looking very good breaking out of this resistance. So I said, okay, first of all, my bias was bullish, and that was the first mistake for the day. That was what really got me wrecked because there's no real reason on the short term to be getting extremely bullish. Like the medium term is quite bearish. And so I saw this breaking out. So I entered here, but obviously this was a fake out. So I just recently got stopped out. And the last one, which was very holding up very nicely, guys. And this is a hack for the bull run once it resumes. Like I got in here, and the one that curiously was holding up the best was SPX 6900. So I bought it here, and it just barely faked out. So I held on, and it really held on to support, and it was breaking out over here. But look at this fall. I really needed this to hold, and it didn't. And so I'm out here, guys. This breakout prop account is lost, added to the cemetery of accounts that are coming into my cemetery of lessons learned. But this is not a reason to quit. All right. So I'm writing on down all these lessons. I want to figure out very quickly where was my bias wrong and how should I have handled my stop losses, and when should I just have taken two steps back and understand that my bias was wrong before getting that third trade in that wrecked me. So that's it for today, guys. Not a very good day. I guess we're gonna be heading down. If we do break down this session, which it seems we're breaking down, let me show you guys what I'm seeing on Bitcoin just before I leave you. I'm seeing this, guys. This is not really able to hold this. As you see, we're losing this kind of range here, opening range. If we close below this, I do see us coming down to at least 103. So that's gonna be like $1,000 drop. If you want to catch this move, then the play would be going short over here, which is also coinciding because it's about to break the London's range low. So, and it's respecting this, lower high and lower lows. Hasn't broken this trend line. So yeah, it's looking not looking good, or like looking good to the downside actually. And if that's Bitcoin, you must imagine what's going on with the altcoins, right? Altcoins are probably about to lose this. Wait, am I sharing the full screen? No, wait. Let me share the full thing. So, total three is also breaking down, didn't manage to cross this and to break out, which is it's also another lesson, right? Maybe I should have waited for confirmation of the breakout before entering longs. That's another lesson for the books. So this is apparently breaking down. If this breakdown from this 820 billion market capitalization, I expect another leg down. So we would be losing another 10, 20 billion. And if this breaks over here, we are now looking at least $50 billion of altcoin market cap just being wiped out. Look out below here, guys, because we want to hold this resistance turn support. We want to hold this for dear life. Otherwise, it's going to be a grim summer for altcoins. Not that it's been any good since May, but still. And yeah, Bitcoin dominance grinding up, hasn't yet broken this resistance, but it's looking like it wants to. If Bitcoin breaks down, I see it very, very easily breaking this to the upside. And yeah, trades are looking good to the downside if we break this level of resistance. I'm not going to take the shorts, but if you're looking at the short term, you might just as well. And yeah, that's gonna make the stream for today, guys. Another lesson to learn is that whenever you get stopped out, instead of blaming yourself or taking all the blame, just absorb the lesson and take it as another way to improve for the next one. All right, guys. See you tomorrow, hopefully.